You might think pigeons are just rats with wings, but they might actually be smarter than you. Believe it or not, research shows pigeons can tell the difference between a painting by Picasso and one by Monet. They can also recognize human faces, learn basic math, and even see themselves in mirrors. So, next time you see one in the park, be careful. It's probably judging your outfit and your art taste. Do you think pigeons are geniuses or just lucky? Share your thoughts below.
Thanks for watching!